back, guys. Today we're gonna work on the SR400. Gonna be replacing the stock front end. This whole front end is gonna be for sale. If you guys are interested, let me know. All right, headlight out. This is the 20-inch mid-USA Springer. All right, right now I'm making a temporary headlight bracket. All right, got the bike outside to check the stance. The 18 rear and 21 front, it's a nice combo. And these Shinko tires are pretty nice too. First time running them. I'm glad I went with 20-inch Springer instead of 18. Because if I went with 18, the front is gonna be too low. Right now, I feel like the stance is perfect for what I'm going for. And then these bars are temporary. I got these bars from Young. They used to be black. I just removed the paint so I have a visual of what they look like with this front end. I'm gonna be making a new set. It's gonna be more narrow, but similar design pretty much. That way it'll match this cut right here to the Springer. But yeah, a lot of these wires are gonna be chopped off. I'm also glad that I went with the longer hardtail. I want this bike to be long and skinny. That's the whole vision for this bike. A closer look of the old tank. Big old backbone right here. So next I gotta make a custom tank that will go over the tank and covers it. That way this big old piece is gonna be hidden. And because the backbone is so big, I have to shave down this steering stop from the Springer. That way I can get more turning radius. Because right now, if I turn it, it's gonna hit right there. So I gotta shave this entire thing down right there, which is not a problem. As for the bearings, on the bottom, I'm running Harley bearings. On the top, I'm running stock SR bearings. And it fits nice. I'm loving the progress so far. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite builds when it's done. But yeah, you don't see that many chopped up SR400 in the States, so can't wait. And then over the weekend, I went to a local swap meet. And I found these. First was this old school neon sign. It's pretty big. I don't have a lot of wall space, but I'll make space for this because it's too cool to pass up. And then over here, I got this dead end sign from Big Watcha. I'm a big fan of Dead End magazine and all the stuff they produce. So this is a nice addition to the garage. And then I found this Mickey Mouse phone. I don't know why, but I just had to have it, so I bought it. And then this Harley sign was a gift from my buddy Dre. Pretty cool. But yeah, I gotta make space for all these new stuff. And then on the lift is a customer's bike. This is a 1984 Shovelhead. It was a police bike. Customer dropped it off 2 weeks ago from Lake Tahoe. And he wants that lane split makeover I'll be documenting this build as well, so you guys can see the entire progress on the channel. So stay tuned for that. I think this is going to be a really cool build. It's going to be a swing arm bobber. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. I also have another customer that brought me a 71 shovel head. So after this one, I'm going to work on the 71 shovel head. But yeah, super busy, but busy is good. Can't complain. And these are the parts for the 84 shovel. Got Avon MK2s, 16s. A lot of parts. And this is the exhaust for the 71 shovel head. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.